So we have seen about how to solder, what are the different power need for welding, for soldering different material. The next one we are going to see is, how to make a fan to work. So this is a 9-volt battery, and we have alligator clips, and this is a small DC motor, 3-volt range. We use a source as 9-volt source, and you can see. Sorry. So there's a disconnection. I need to connect back the. Yeah. So you can see. So why I'm showing this is so we are able to supply 9 volts DC power to this DC motor, and it is working fine. Just think about the other way. If we rotate just like wind turbine, we can generate the energy. If we can rotate this, by source like external source such as wind, or applying the blower or fan, we will be able to light up this LED light. So these two things we have to keep in mind, because tomorrow we are going to explain about how to generate electricity from the DC motor by making the fan to rotate. Okay, and the last item we are going to see is Raspberry and Android. So this is a single motherboard. We'll be learning a lot about this. So what is the connection between farming, agriculture, tiller, cultivator, and all these elements is. So these are all connected. So we need to understand them very well, hardware and software. So if you understand and integrate them, we will be able to reap great benefits. For example, if you want to turn on and off the sprinkler system or deep irrigation system, we can do that with the single motherboards like Arduino and Raspberry. So this is Arduino. So both Arduino and Raspberry works the same way. You can see, we have option for HDMI, we have USB, Ethernet, and video card. So all options are possible with this single motherboard. We can easily replace a $500, $600 laptop with this $20, $30 single motherboard. One application we could say is, like, let us say like we have we want to sense the rain, or if we want to sense the humidity and the temperature, and we want to turn on and off certain areas, such as like attic area where we cannot go up and down. So this comes into picture. We can have one single motherboard which can do so many activities. It can interact with our tiller, it can identify the battery, the life of the battery, what battery, individual particular battery in the pack we need to charge. Also the other way, like it can sense the humidity, and it can sense the rain, and it can help us to control the drip irrigation system or sprinkler. It can help us to, if you want to, let us say we have a robotic controller to lift item from one place to another place, we can remotely control it through this single small like matchbox size single motherboard. It is almost in market for 10 years. There are so many different flavors. This is Arduino Uno. Then we have Raspberry Pi, and we'll see more about Raspberry Pi and the different flavors of it, like a different operating system. The one which we'll be coming across in the next few days is going to be Raspberry Pi and Jessie. So that is the latest Debian version, I think Debian 8. So that the same thing what Raspbian is using is Jessie flavor. We'll be studying more about that. So there are a lot to cover. We'll go one at a time. Thank you.